informed debate in the open. Citizens' field includes use technology, live telecasts, digital archives, and online participation platforms make legislatures more accessible to the public. Meeting people's aspirations. India is a young nation with more than 65% of the population below 35 years. Their aspirations are less quality education, jobs, healthcare, infrastructure, and above all, opportunities to grow with dignity. Legislature must be the arena where those aspirations are debated and translated into policies. Young youth aspirations, introducing skill development programs, physical education, and employment opportunities should be central to our discussions. Women empowerment. Legislatures must champion laws that provide equal opportunity, safety, and political representation to the women. Marginalized communities, scheduled castes and scheduled tribes, minorities, and persons with disabilities must find a strong voice in legislative debate. The Telangana, we have tried to reflect these aspirations in the policies like Asara pensions, monthly pensions for the elderly and other beneficiaries, Indirama Indu, financial assistance to homeless people to build permanent houses. The provide of free medical and health care up to the 10 lakhs under the Rajiv RTC, innovative for the economically backward people. Ambedkar Abhay Asam, the scheme for the social equality, each of these was born out of the extensive discussion and debate in our legislature, proving that constructive debates can result in transformative policies. Challenge before us, yet we must candid about the challenges. Frequent disruptions weaken the effectiveness of the legislature. Declining time spent on debates limits quality lawmaking.